Hi, I'm Damit from the research desk at LOLC Securities.
And I'm Dinusha from the sales desk.
So we are going to give a brief summary about the market last week.
To start with a summary of the market last week, the indices saw a slight dip during the week in the absence of aggressive investor participation. Turnover saw a record low on Monday, where it posted only Rs 91 million. As the week progressed, accumulation could be witnessed in many blue-chip companies like Dialog, John Kear's, Commercial Bank, despite the negative sentiment prevailed in the market. Foreigners showed interest in counters like lubricants and central finance during the week. Nestle contributed 10.4 points to the all-share, while Tobacco, John Kear's and Sri Lanka Telecom contributed 6.9, 4.6 and 3.3 points respectively. Bukit Dara shares price reduction hindered the all-share growth by dragging 5.8 points down. Market returned to a stagnant state yet again amidst economic concerns. However, foreign accumulation was witnessed to an extent during the short week. Technical indicators also exhibited stagnant situation in the indices.
Moving on to the corporate news, Lanka Group announced plans to construct a warehouse to provide value-added logistics services to the group's rapidly expanding client base. This warehouse facility will be called Logistics Parks Private Limited, and it is scheduled to be operational by March 2013. Sri Lanka John Kear's Holdings has inked a deal to sell its freight forward unit in Colombo and India to a France-based company, although the sales price is not yet disclosed. Moving on to the economic news, despite the drought, the government assured that there would be no power cuts but stressed on the need to increase power conservation to continue generation until the next monsoon season. Hydropower generation has dipped to 12%, resulting in the CEB losing 200 million rupees a day. Sri Lanka's external relations have received a boost following the decision by the US to continue with its duty-free generalized system preference, that is GSP program, for trade after a review that looked over 3 years. Sri Lanka and China are to sign a comprehensive economic cooperation agreement in a bid to further enhance strong bilateral ties currently being enjoyed. The Treasury has resorted to a higher degree of bank borrowings to bridge the budget deficit, whilst the country's external debt has reached a staggering $19 billion or in rupees term 2.47 trillion.
And moving on to global news, Indian shares ended lower in thin trade last week, tracking weak markets in Asia and in Europe. Global markets were being transformed by extreme heat and dryness in a key US growing region.
Thank you very much. See you next week.
Thank you.